Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We do lots of unboxings over here, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. Think about hitting that subscribe button down below as well. I would love for you to hang out with us as we open a whole bunch of different things. Today, we are going to be opening up a limited edition box from Allure. I usually have pretty good luck with the Allure boxes, so I'm hoping that this box is going to be just as good. So this box is their new 2025 fragrances box. The idea is that this has all of the fragrances inside of it that you're gonna need for this year. If you guys are interested in purchasing this box, I will have a link listed down below for you, and that way you can get one of these yourself. Now this box is not a subscription, it is a one-time purchase, and technically you don't even have to be a member to the Allure box to get this box. So if you would like to purchase this and you don't have a subscription, you can absolutely buy it. I will tell you though, there's a much cheaper option. So this box has over $200 worth of products inside of it if you bought them individually. However, if you buy this box and you're not a member of their subscription box, it will cost you $139 to buy this box, which it is a savings. I mean, it is a discount, but there's a much better way. So my recommendation is to sign up and buy the February Allure box. It's only $15 right now and there's free shipping on it. Once you buy that box, you will be considered an active member and you're gonna be able to go into the shop and buy this box now at a discounted rate of $79. So you can pay $139 for this box without a subscription or buy the subscription for $15 and get it for $79. Do you see how the math is just so much better? You're gonna get more products out of the deal as well. You're gonna get a free bonus item this month. It's just a much better deal to buy the subscription. I can smell the fragrances, you guys. Don't mind me, I'm just over here smelling my box. But seriously, I was like, is that my house? Is that me? And I'm like, no, there's something really fruity in here. Like, it's fruity and sweet. So this is what it looks like when I first open it up. I gotta tell you guys, I love the packaging. Like, they need to do red boxes more often because it's really nice. Ooh, this looks good. This is what it looks like, you guys. So I got this box for $79. I do feel like there's a lot of products in here. So far, it looks promising. I'm gonna start with this one because it's the biggest one in the box. So this is from Benevolence LA, and it is a black box that I have here. There's something that smells really good too. I don't know if it's this or something else, but it smells really nice right now. So this one says, shine a light in the darkness. Each candle helps to save a child from the darkness of sex trafficking. Oh, so you can learn more at their website then as well. Cool. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this up. We definitely have a candle here. I would assume this is a full-size product that they've sent over. It's kind of hard to tell whether or not a candle is considered full-size, but I mean, I'm just gonna go with it and say it's full-size. So this is what your box will look like. This would make a great gift box too. If you wanted to give a gift to somebody, like if it's not your scent, I think it's cute for that. So inside I do have, oh look, it's even wrapped. So all the more so it'd make a great gift, you guys. But we've got our candle in here and it's a good sized candle. It's a full votive. So this one, let me confirm, but I want to say it's like 8 ounces. This is 220 grams. Well, it'd be helpful if I knew what grams was into ounces, but it's 220 grams if you want to look it up. So the scent on this one is rose and sandalwood, and it says that it will burn for 45 hours. This is a soy wax candle with a cotton wick. So this is what it looks like here, and then it is rose. Even through the packaging, it smells like a rose bush. Like, I mean, it is a strong rose scent. You can't miss it. Ironically, it's more rose than it is the sandalwood, in my opinion. I feel like this is 90% rose and a little bit of sandalwood in there. So this card doesn't actually tell us how much the products retail for. I kind of wish it did. But I still like the fact that not only do we have like perfumes in here, I like that fragrance is a little bit more broad, that we're getting a candle as well. The next item that I have in here is Noise. I think that's how you pronounce this. So this is a discovery kit and it is perfume. I think, if I understand the packaging correctly, this is going to have 4 different fragrances inside of it, but they're all going to be the sample vials. So that way you can try it out, see if you like the fragrances, and then buy it from there if you do. So this brand, I am not familiar with at all. I've never even heard of this brand. It says you're gonna have 2 ml of product of each one of these. So this one is called Unmute. This is the one that has plum and vanilla inside of it. Ooh, that is good. So if you love vanilla, I'm definitely gonna recommend this to you because it is more of a vanilla scent than anything else. It does smell like the plum in there. You can tell it's fruity, but it's not overpowering. It's not a very strong fruit scent. I can just tell you that it's like, yeah, I noticed that there is a little bit of that fruity note in there. This to me, again, is mostly that Madagascar vanilla. It smells wonderful. Honestly, this is a really good one. This one I could see myself rebuying. This next one has eucalyptus in it. And again, that is predominantly what I'm getting out of it. So this fragrance, it features amber and eucalyptus in here and also figs, but I do feel like it's predominantly a eucalyptus scent. Oh, this is good too. I really like this brand. This is the one that has lemon inside of it. This one is really good. It's lemon and what? Jasmine. Yeah, there is a touch of a floral note in there. This one is a really nice summery scent. And then the last one that's in here is called Love Club. This fragrance is the one that has saffron, rose, and ebony woods. This one, it's not my favorite one. This is the last scent in this discovery box, and this one is Love Club. It's the one that has rose in it and saffron, and then there's also like a woodsy scent. It's kind of an interesting mashup for me because I feel like the rose floral gives me this really feminine vibe, and then you get this woodsy scent that feels very masculine. So it's kind of like this merger of both, and it's just a very interesting combination. It's not my favorite, but honestly, it's just because scent is subjective, you guys. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. It's just not my personal favorite is all. But see, this is why I like the Discovery set. And actually, after having tried this now, I'm telling you, I will definitely, that Unmute scent is so good. I am definitely going to be looking into this brand because it is really good. The next fragrance that we have in here is from a brand called Non-Gender Specific. The fragrance name is Fluid, and this is designed to be a unisex scent. So everything from this brand works for everybody, and that's why it says it's a fragrance for all humans. So Fluid is one of their best-selling fragrances, and it features a woodsy, warm note to it, but then it also has a fresh twist to it. I have found with this brand in the past that it is a very strong fragrance. Oh, and there's definitely citrus. You definitely get that right away. I also feel like, what is that? There's something else in here. Sweet orange, it says. Hints of lavender, oud, and moss. Yeah. I knew there was something else muskier in here. It's different. It's not my favorite, but again, I think that's just personal choice. But I do think it's a different scent. Honestly, that's what's gonna be really hard with all of these is I'm giving you guys my take on them, and scent varies by everybody. You might like a scent that I hate and vice versa, and it can be really challenging. At the very least, you're gonna see what comes in this box. The next item that I have here is from By Rosie Jane. This one is their Lila Lou perfume. This is a full-size bottle that we have here. By Rosie Jane makes their perfumes in a few different sizes, but this is considered full-size on their website. So this one features pear, jasmine, and fresh cut grass for the scent. Now that is also interesting. I feel like all of these, this box is designed to be more for women, but I feel like they're very unisex. So this one is going to be a spritzer that we have here. Actually, you guys, this is not as bad. Well, I shouldn't say not as bad as I was thinking, but it just, the grass was throwing me for a loop. This just gives me more like earthy tones. And it's just a little bit more, I can't explain it any other way. It's like, it's an earthy, it's grounded. It's not, it doesn't smell like when you're cutting the grass, in my opinion. That's what I thought it was gonna be, but it really doesn't. It just smells kind of like you're going outside, like it's just an outdoorsy scent. Yeah, surprisingly, that grass does not stand out as much as I thought it was going to. The next item that we have in here is from Commodity Fragrances. Now, this is one that I love. I love this fragrance, but I also love Commodity, by the way. So this one is the Gold Scent. If you want a recommendation on fragrances from this brand, I would recommend you check out Book and Milk. because I think both of those are very good. Gold is also one of my favorites. I think I like the other two a little bit better, but this is still a really good one as well. So this one is their travel-sized spritzer, and this will be a note of sandalwood and amber and vanilla all mixed together. It is a very warm and soft fragrance. When I smell it, it just smells very cozy and very comforting. But again, I love amber. I love the vanilla scents. Like, it just feels just like a warm hug every time that I smell this. So this one, I knew when I saw it was going to be in the box, I was like, I am definitely going to enjoy this. Also included, we have, oh, this is a body mist. So it's something different. This is from Salt and Stone. So see, again, I like that we're getting more than just perfumes in this box, because fragrances can apply to a lot of different things, and they want me to use these for the year. I like that we get a variety of products. So this is the, whoa, you can see my face in here. Let's go over here. This is the Salt and Stone full-size bottle. It is 100 ml or 3.4 ounces. This body mist is saffron and cedar. It says it's a revitalizing skincare mist. So there's glycerin in here, red algae, and it says your skin will feel hydrated, but you're also going to smell good too. So it's more than just like a body mist where it's just perfume. It's actually got skincare ingredients in it, which is better. I prefer that. So the ingredient list on here, the first ingredient is alcohol, followed by water, then perfume. So keep in mind, while this is a skincare product, it is first and foremost going to be your fragrance. It is a perfume, but then it does have some skincare ingredients inside of this. So I wouldn't say, I wouldn't replace your normal skincare with this. You can just add to it by means of this product. So this one, ooh, I like this a lot. This one is really good. Man, this is good, you guys. This one I will use. Saffron and cedar, it said. And surprisingly, I feel like there's something else in there, like an amber again. And it's not too strong either. It doesn't smell like a strong alcohol. This one smells really nice. It smells expensive too, which is another thing I like. I am only halfway through this box, you guys. I feel like I've been talking about fragrances forever already at this point, but we're only halfway through. That's how big it is. So this next item that I have here is from Orbella. This is Window to Soul. So it's a perfume. I don't know this brand. This is so interesting. Shake well, spray directly onto skin, suitable for sensitive skin as well. But it doesn't say what the fragrance notes are. So this is what the packaging will look like. I'm assuming that's the scent name is Window to Soul. And then this is what the box itself looks like. It is a sealed box, which I do like. I'm trying to not open these unless I'm going to use them right away, because I don't want them to wear out and not be able to be used. Let me look this up though. It says that this is alcohol free and it has essential oils inside of it. It's also vegan, cruelty free, and PETA approved as well. So it says that this fragrance is a love letter to yourself. It is sheer, modern, and personal with lemon, jasmine, and tonka bean for a major aura boosting vibe. This is alcohol free. It will hydrate your skin while giving you a scent that lingers on your body. It says that it's also gonna hydrate your skin. What is in here that's gonna hydrate your skin? I didn't see anything that stood out. Well, there is glycerin in here, but again, it's farther down on the list. I just find it weird that they want to advertise perfumes as something that can go for skincare. And while I feel like this could complement your skincare, I definitely don't think this is going to do as much as like a hydrating moisturizer or a body lotion. You know what I mean? Like, I do think skincare it's a little too far with the verbiage. I'm probably being really nitpicky with that, but I'm like, I know there's glycerin in here, but because it's got one skincare ingredient doesn't necessarily qualify it to be a skincare product. Moving on, I'll get off my high horse there. The next item that I have is wrapped up. This one is definitely a bottle of some sort. This is a pillow spray. So this is from Take Care Wellness, and it's their Jasmine and Sage Pillow Spray. Full-size glass bottle that we have here, and then there's just a spritzer on top. This one says that you'll spray it on your pillow right before bed. It uses therapeutic grade essential oils, and it will be a long-lasting and calming scent for bed linens and beyond. You can also use this product on curtains, upholstery, in the bathroom, and you just want to shake it up before spritzing this. The only ingredients in here are water, vodka, and essential oils, and that is it. So this one is gonna be really clean ingredient list. Oh, we have Lush. You guys, I love this brand so much. This is one of my favorite brands. This one is a bath bomb. It's the Intergalactic Bath Bomb, and the brand is called Lush. Now, if you've not seen Lush before, they make all sorts of different bath products out there. Some of the best bombs. I mean, just really good products. But they also do everything so that it is a low carbon footprint. You can recycle everything. So their packaging is literally a brown paper bag. There is a full-size bath bomb inside of this bag. And I'm gonna pull it out here, and it is gonna be a little bit crumbly because, you know, that's how bath bombs are. But this one is their Intergalactic Bomb. Isn't it awesome? It's also huge, and it does smell good. It smells so yummy. This smells, though, like pure sugar. It is sweet. Surprisingly, it says that there's peppermint oil in here, which I can tell a little bit of, but it's not a strong peppermint. Sometimes peppermint is overpowering. This one is not. So it does mention, like I said, that there's peppermint oil in here. There's grapefruit oil as well, cedarwood, and then I think that's it for fragrances. So I do feel like there is a peppermint scent, but it still smells very sugary sweet to me. Last item that I have in the box today, I think this is our last one. This is another fragrance that we have here. This one is coming from a brand called Fleur de Blonde. Did I do that right, you guys? I know it's flower blonde. I don't know what is white, just blonde flower. Is that? Okay, again, see, I overthink these things, you guys. All I need to do is show you the fragrance, and I'm over here dissecting this. This is 1 ounce or 30 ml for this fragrance. It's vegan and cruelty-free at the same time. And because my nose is getting a little bit worn out from smelling everything, I'm gonna look it up on the Allure website once again to see what the fragrance notes are on this. So it says that this one is pear blossom in amber. There's also a cashmere musk that will make this soft, comforting, and wearable. It says that it will layer as well, so you could create your own scent story. So the idea is you can spritz this on with another fragrance and it's gonna complement it. I feel like that might be a little too much, but who knows, maybe I will try it and just find out. So that is everything inside of the limited edition fragrance box from Allure. We had 11 items inside of this box, you guys. For fragrances, I mean, 11 items for $79. That is a steal. I mean, seriously, have you guys looked at the price of fragrances at Sephora? Like, they are so overpriced in my opinion. It is crazy. So to get 11 different items in here today to try them out at $79, I mean, you guys, it is such a great price point. So if you would like to purchase this box, it is available right now in the members shop. This box is considered limited edition, so once they sell out of this box, they're not going to be restocking it. So just keep that in mind. I don't honestly foresee that this box is gonna sell out like overnight. I don't think you have to rush to get it. I mean, you know, I say that and we'll see what happens. But truthfully, I think you'll have time to get it, but I just don't think it's gonna be around for months and months. So if you do want this box, I definitely would get it whenever you're able to. But I feel like I can confirm that the value is there. There are a variety of products as well. And overall, I don't think any of these scents were horrible. You know what I mean? Like, if you were wearing these scents, even though they may not be my favorite, I wouldn't think you smelled bad. You know what I mean? Like, they're not a rancid, terrible scent. So I can confirm value is there. I like the variety of products, and I do think they all smell good. So I've got you covered with that link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this box. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye.